In this era of rapid development, buildings are more than just living spaces, they are symbols of security and trust. This image shows a traditional concrete building on the left and a steel building on the right. Steel buildings, with their high strength and uniformity, excel in earthquake and wind resistance. Studies have shown that steel structures outperform traditional concrete structures in earthquakes and strong winds, effectively reducing structural damage and ensuring building safety. The steel structure building adopts factory prefabrication and rapid on-site assembly, which shortens the construction cycle by more than 30% compared with the traditional concrete building and reduces the safety hazards in the construction process. The design flexibility of steel structure buildings is high, which can realize large span space layout and meet diversified use requirements. Not only do they excel in safety and functionality, but their modernized appearance also adds a bright landscape to the city. Choosing steel buildings is choosing a safe, strong and reliable future. Welcome your inquiry and cooperation. Let us help your project succeed.